A famous polling group, the Gallup, has been keeping track for a while now of people's perceptions of the healthcare industry. Suppose in 2020, they found that the perception was very or somewhat positive, and 51% of respondents answered that way. Whereas those that responded very negatively or somewhat negatively, the percent responding that way was 31%. Now that adds up to 82%, leaving 18%. 100% minus 82% is 18%. That would be those that are kind of neutral on this. Well, how should we express this graphically? Since we've got categories here, we've got a qualitative variable in terms of perception, then we could express this using a bar graph. And here would be a proper way of expressing this. We've got an overall title, The Perceptions of the Healthcare Industry. We've got the relative frequency or percents along the vertical axis, and our different categories along the horizontal axis. And we see that 51% is higher than the 31%. Both of those are bigger than the 18% that are more neutral or unsure. That would be a proper way of expressing this. What would be something improper? So what if the information had been presented this way? Instead of the bar graph that I showed a moment ago, what if we stylize the bars to be like something that you would think of with the healthcare industry? The stethoscope, for example. Well, the problem here is, the biggest problem is that we don't know where the stethoscope is supposed to begin and end. Where is the zero in the horizontal direction? And where do we get the 51% here? Is it the highest tip that we see, the part going in the ear, and the 31% over here? Or is it someplace else? Is it where they cross? I don't know. Another problem here is that we put the neutral or unsure 18% just in the middle without a separate smaller stethoscope. There should be a separate category. So the bar graph that was initially shown compared to this is better. This one, it would be misleading. It's hard to make that comparison visually if we're not paying too much attention to the numbers. Making the comparison visually of the relation between the 51% and the 31%, or of either of those to the 18%. Hope this has helped. If it has, please like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and if you know anybody else studying introductory statistics and could use some help from watching these videos, share with them. Take care, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next one.